Finally we got through and everything is under control till now. بسم الله.
لا صار الحين المفروض يجيبها الصوب الصوب. لا المفروض الحين يجيبها الصوب. شوف
شنو
صح. الدمار ما
ايه صح. بس النخل ايه النخل في شيء من خلاص كثير شيء من خلاص وياه
بعدين تكفي. ايه لا الحمد لله.
بسم الله بسم الله.
على كيف على كيف. عاود ما شاء الله.
ايه ما شاء الله ايه.
نعم.
ها؟ أنا أقول أبيك بالبطل مسجل الهدي.
خلق اليوم خلق اليوم.
إيه صح. دبليو شو اسمه؟
والدورة ليه؟ الدورة اللي تقول منو؟ خمسة.
Again, this is the OB 80-meter 2-element. 80-meter 2-element.
واحد وياك كيفك؟
The boom just went through the first ball bearing and it's on its way to the lower one, and for your information, this kind of ball bearing, it's got like a swivel. It's a universal ball bearing, so it will get the first insertion, which is not 90 degrees, so it's about to go inside now. You can see the second hole, second ball bearing in the center of the screen, and we need to move the crane boom to the back so it will take it inside easily, and Everything should be professional, and you can see all the operators here. They are looking. Yeah, it went through the motor, the antenna rotor. Thank God, everything went smooth and as it planned. You can see what a critical moment. Let's take you along around Kuwait City. This is Kuwait City here, main city here, and this we are in Abdullah Salam area, suburb, and you can see Mansouriya at the other side. It's been separated by the main highway. This highway goes straight south to the Saudi Arabian border, Hotel Zululand, and this is the area around us here. You can see the houses and the cities. This is the first main QTH of 9K2 Hotel Nancy, and this is his old tower. This is his newly installed tower and optibeam antennas. This is the second tower, you can see. Now, I think 9K2 ID, he's tightening some studs to hold the mast through the bearing, and he is also doing some tightening on the rotor sleeves. And the VHF antenna is at the top there. VHF antenna, it should be very, very powerful. I think it's 9 dB maybe.
حمد جايكم رابطين الكيبل تاي
عشان لا ينحش. Okay. We just done installing OB2-80 plus.
اعطينا المشروع واعرفها قبل ايام تي اتش 11.
ايه الناس تتطور يا اي دي.
والله يا تي اتش 11
والله كل
يوم قرب علينا السمر فوق تحت.
اي دي يوما ما باخذك مقابله تقول هذا سالفه هذا.
اوكي انا لازم اقولها عربي.
يا عربي.